welcome group. May I introduce my boss, Eric, and myself, Dr. Bali from Thai Red Cross and Philippine Red Cross. From Manila to Bangkok, we learn from Manila lesson, and Bangkok we adopt and adapt and advocate on this issue of urban resilient city of Bangkok. That's our topic. How to reach from today to the 2020. So Eric, can you run this? Sure, thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so from the urban resilient city of Bangkok, which is the main focus here, is how to strengthen the Thai Red Cross. And there are two other sub-issues. It's like establishing a branch in Bangkok of Thai Red Cross, and how to more contribute in the government advocacy or plan in urban resilient city of Bangkok. But before that, we able to identify some of the blocking points, and from these blocking points, we raise out from the 3 steps in order to achieve our goal, and contribute on the urban resilience of Bangkok. The first step is understanding identifying the hazard, the vulnerability, the capacity, and the risk. Which is Bangkok is one of the highly prone city in Thailand in terms of earthquake, floodings, and fire, in the urban. So, in achieving the 2 sub-goal or issues, there will be a parallel approach, In establishing a branch in Thai Red Cross, we are more on resource mapping in order to have more to assist the government in doing the hazard and risk identification and BCA. And again, from the partnership itself, we'll do a lot of dialogue with the government that Red Cross has the capacity and the resources to do this. And then as we achieve, actually, we are also promoting 2 things. More resources to come in with the Red Cross, and of course, giving more visibility and ownership of the government as the main role. Main role on this particular project, of course, with close partnership with the Thai Red Cross. The second obstacle is buy-in, owning the problem. So, more on the Red Cross establishment is operationalization of all its services to the public. And on the partnership is having MOUs and agreement. So more on more on agreement. And then the third blocking point is deciding the priorities. So on the Red Cross side is more on institutionalization. And then on the partnership side is more on collaboration, projects, and campaign, wherein achieving the partnership and maintaining the Red Cross branch, we also identified one main blocking point, which is how to maintain collaboration. So in the blocking point, we are now more focusing on how to reduce it. It's kind of reducing the risk in implementing this. Of course, on the government side, partnership is not only from the national and local government, but also other stakeholders, right? And of course, increasing more visibility of the Thai Red Cross. Okay, boss?
Okay, Nick. So you can see that here in Bangkok itself, you have a lot of high-rise building. You have slum area here around it. Okay, you have Chapaya River that can get flooded anytime. So there's a road. So we have some express, the MRT underground run across this one. How to achieve this goal? Have to go this way up. But our problem is in Bangkok we have 2 governments. One is democratic, one is national government. So how to work together this way? This is our challenge. The Red Cross have capacity to mending because we have 7 principles to work on it. So we can bring the stakeholder come to talk and work together to achieve this goal by using this BCA, whatever we have in a tool in the Red Cross way. That's the point we have. So we learn from Manila, they have already established work on Manila City or Bangkok City already. So we learn from them and we adopt it, and then how we work toward this end. So that's how to make the Bangkok City more resilient. That's our goal in the next 7 years, I hope. Thank you.